Welcome to Zoho Analytics. It is a simple and powerful tool that helps you analyze data and create reports and dashboards. In simple words, it takes your raw data from Excel databases or cloud apps like Google Sheets or Zoho CRM, helps you visualize that data using charts, graphs, and dashboards, makes it easy to find trends, patterns, and insights to help with decision making. You can also share reports with your team and even ask questions to get instant answers using AI. Now, let us have a quick view into the features available in the Zoho Analytics. The first one is Workspaces. It is like a folder or project area. It stores all your related data, reports, and dashboards in one place. You can have separate workspaces for different departments, projects, or topics. For example, sales, marketing, and finance. The next one is Dashboards. It is a collection of charts, tables, and KPIs shown together. It helps you see all important insights at a glance. Dashboards are interactive, so you can click on charts to filter or drill down. You also have workspaces in this and you can also search them. The next one is recent items. This shows a list of items you have recently worked on, like reports or dashboards. Helps you quickly go back to where you left off. And the next one you have is import your data. This lets you bring in data from various sources like Excel, Google Sheets, databases, cloud apps like Zoho CRM, Google Analytics, etc. You can schedule regular updates to keep the data fresh. In the top panel, you'll be having a feedback, then notifications, organization settings. You also have a help desk here. Now let us have a look into the pricing plans available in the Zoho Analytics. The first one we have is a basic plan. It is suitable for individuals or very small teams who are just getting started with data analysis. It allows up to 2 users and supports up to 0.5 million rows of data. It's best for simple reports and small scale data tracking. The next plan we have is a standard plan. It is ideal for small teams. It allows up to 5 users and supports 1 million rows of data, making it suitable for basic reporting and analysis needs. The next plan is a premium plan, which is most popular plan and is great for growing teams. It supports up to 15 users and can handle 5 million rows of data, offering more advanced analytics features. The next one is an enterprise plan. It is designed for large organizations. It allows up to 50 users and supports 50 million rows of data with advanced capabilities, higher performance, and enhanced security. The next one is a custom plan. It is for businesses with unique or large scale requirements. You can choose the number of users and the amount of data needed, and Zoho will create a plan tailored specifically to your needs. Thank you. For any Zoho requirements, contact us at www.fgrade.com/Zoho.